Hi you guys, so as you can see, we're back in the bathroom. You already know what time it is if you read the title. I'm about to be cleaning my apartment. I don't think this is gonna be a deep clean because I'm not about to be cleaning the cabinets and stuff. I just, you know, it's dirty. And we're finna go into a new month. So I have to make sure my space is clean. This month was all over the place. I wanna start November off fresh and clean. So my apartment has to be fresh and clean. It's always my bathroom and my stove. Those are like the dirtiest in my apartment. Like, that's what really gets dirty. I did cook yesterday. Yesterday was Sunday. I made pot roast for the first time. So I do still have some stuff out. It's already dry, I just haven't put it up. And then I have a few dishes in my sink. I just wanna let y'all know before we get started. But yeah, so I'm gonna start in the bathroom once again. Because yeah, it needs some love. I want to like decorate a little bit, not too much. I bought some stuff a couple weeks ago, like 2 weeks ago, and I still have yet to like put it around my apartment, so I want to do that in this video as well. So y'all will see all of that. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on if they are not on, so you'll be notified every time I upload. Okay, and yeah, I hope this motivates y'all to get up and clean your house. Get ready for the new month because it's coming. Clean space is a happy space. Remember that. Okay, so this bathroom is a complete disaster. You may not think it's that bad, but it's bad. I do my hair in the bathroom, so I have like a bunch of like little hairs and it just builds up and like dust. And then this has been just sitting here, so that's dirty. Toothpaste. My mirror is a little dirty. You can see that's a little dirty. And then that stuff has just been sitting there, so that's dirty. And you can see you got some hair. It's just a mess. 555, angel number. I already got something up. Boom, that's my favorite song right now. But let's go, get started.
Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright.
The tub is clean, and yes, I did wash the walls. I just didn't show it, but they are clean as well. We back in action.
I don't know why, I don't know why. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you.
Good smells, okay? I'm so mad that it's gone. This is the current state of my kitchen. So we have some dishes to wash. Do not judge the stove. It's so nasty right now. It's basically just oil everywhere. No matter how low these are, oil still goes everywhere. So that's why it looks like this. And I decided to just wait to clean it in the video. And then we gotta get rid of this. This is all grease, so I'm gonna throw that out. And then over here, I just have my clean dishes. I have to put these up, and I want to clean this off and then put this up.
I could have called you mine. I can't be the one that you need. Maybe if I change the way I love it. Maybe if I try to fix this heart, I could have stayed the night. I could have called you mine. And I'll be the one that you need. Maybe if I change the way I love it. Maybe if I try to fix this heart, I could have stayed the night. I could have called you mine. And I'll be the one that you need. I might go too fast. I don't care about those limits. 'Cause I want this to last like nothing ever lasts before. I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich, though I don't know nothing. Oh, I can't let this slip, no. I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Don't wanna go fast.
These are literally the perfect pans because they have this on the side, so you don't spill anything.
'Cause I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich, though I don't know nothing. Oh, I can't let this slip, no. I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you feels like I know you. We love the same things. You want a house in Malibu. Are you feeling the same way I do?
I just cleaned my sink out, you know, with bleach and soap, and it didn't sink. So I just wanted to show y'all. So I'm like, ew, you know, clean your sink out. Still has soap in there. But yeah. I just bought this yesterday. And y'all, why did anybody tell me this is it right here? This is it. It smells good. And it lathers up really, really fast. It gets the stuff clean, okay? So this is my new fave. But yeah, I did clean my sink. I'm not about to clean it again just for the video. I'm doing too much, wasting product. So yeah.
Cause I've been thinking about you. I told you every single time, don't you worry. You would always call me at the wrong time, so you can know what I was up to. Oh, don't you get that it's just stupid?